Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have created this golden cut crease look, and if you want to know how to create this look, please keep on watching. First, I'll prime my lids with the NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base with the help of a dense brush. This will ensure to cover the hyperpigmentation around my eyelids and create a base for the eyeshadow. I'll take this yellow eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution X Tamhi palette and pack it on the outer corner of my eyelids and slowly moving towards the crease. Then I'll take some concealer with a flat brush and cut the crease very carefully. I am going to cut the crease just above my natural crease line. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand and cover 2/3 of the lids. I'll slightly blend the edges for a softer transition. And while the concealer is still tacky, I'll put this bronzed golden eyeshadow and press it on the top of the concealer. And with a flat brush, I will intensify the eyeshadow. Next, I'll take this brown eyeshadow from the Pixie and Tina Yong palette and blend it on the outer corner of my eyes and diffuse the edges of the cut crease. And then I'll take this transition shade and in circular motion, I'll soften the edges of the yellow eyeshadow. I'll intensify the look by taking the yellow eyeshadow and blending it to the crease. Then I'll take this light golden eyeshadow and press it on the center of the eye for a 3D effect. Next, I'll take this golden liquid eyeliner and apply it where I cut the crease. Now I'll mix the yellow and the brown eyeshadow and apply it on my bottom lash line with a pencil brush. With a clean brush, I'll soften the edges. I'll take this brown kohl from Estee Lauder and apply it on my waterline. With a pencil brush, I'll blend the kohl to the eyeshadow. Next, I'll take the same brown kohl pencil and apply it very close to my upper lash line. And with a pencil brush, I'll blend the kohl to the eyeshadow for a soft, lifted look. Next, I'll take the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color and apply it to the inner corner of my eye and also to the brow bone. Then I'll curl the lashes and apply some mascara. Using the Inglot liquid liner, I'll draw the inner corner V of my eye and finish the look with some lashes. And here is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all next time.